Good morning, everyone. How are you? Welcome to another day. Let's talk about our month. We are in the month of April. A-P-R-I-L. April. We are also in the same season. Our season hasn't changed at all. The season is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Our season, or estación, es primavera. And our month is abril, or April. Let's see what our day of the week is. Today is Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. We see here that this is a fancy A. They put the fancy A in here. You see this A a lot in books, the fancy A. Today is Friday, or viernes. If today is Friday, that means that yesterday was Thursday, or jueves, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. And we see that fancy A again, that book A. And if today is Friday, that means that tomorrow will be Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And we see two fancy A's. Two fancy A's. They also have kind of a fancy T, because when we make a T, we go tall down, slide, and we see on this one they did a tall down, but then they kind of did a little hook on it too. Looks kind of like a little hockey stick or something, or a candy cane, an upside down candy cane. So it's kind of a fancy T too. So tomorrow will be Saturday, or sábado. If today is Friday, that means our number day is what? Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. So we've been in the month of April for 1, 2, 3 days. Our number 1 day was Wednesday, April 1st. A number 1 is really quick. It goes straight down just like a stick. Number 2, our number 2 day was Thursday, April 2nd. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. And then today is 3, April 3rd. April 3rd. And then tomorrow will be down and over, down some more. That's the way you make a 4. And let's see, I think we've done everything. I'm looking at my list. Yep, I think the only thing that we have left is our weather. So go ahead and take a look out your window and see, what's the weather like today, like today, like today. What's the weather like today? Hey class, what's the weather? What do you see out there? I looked out mine, and it's cloudy, but also the clouds are very, very heavy right now with water. And when clouds are very heavy with water, what happens? The water has to go somewhere, so it falls out of the clouds when it gets too heavy. And I don't have a card that says it. I only have a rainy card, but it's not really raining right now. It's more like sprinkling or misting. It's not raining super hard, but you can feel like the tiny, tiny little drops. So it's not a lot of water coming down, just a little bit. So it's kind of doing like a little sprinkle or mist, but maybe later on in the day, the rain will start to fall heavier, or maybe it will stop. So I'm going to go with rainy because there is water falling from the sky. So I'm going to go with rainy. Maybe when you're looking outside your window, something's a little different depending on what time of the day you're looking out your window. But for right now, we'll leave it for rainy. I hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully I will see you soon for our video chat. Bye!